Well, hi there. Welcome to the channel. My name's Shane. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at mounting the sensing unit back onto this old David Brown 990 I've got sitting over here. Hopefully this should be a fairly quick video. I've already got the gaskets in place, and we're just going to set it back on there. The long bolts go in the front here, and the short bolts go, there's 4 short bolts, and they go in the back. See if I've got the holes lined up properly. I think I do. Maybe not. There we go. Oh yeah, we're lined up quite well. I'm going to torque these to about 65 pound-feet. All right, that's installed. We're good to go. I still got the play right here. I still haven't replaced the O-ring down the inside of here, but there's nothing stopping me from going ahead and putting the sensing unit back on. At some point, I'm going to disassemble this again and go take it over to a blacksmith or somebody that's got a welder or whatever, and do the thing that Barry told me to do, which was weld on some things onto the flats here. If you go back and look at one of the very first videos I did on this channel, you'll see where I took this apart, and I was worried about this play, but really the play is because the O-ring inside of there is basically gone. There's nothing mechanically wrong with the sensing unit, it's just got a little play right here. It's not going to hurt anything. All right, now let's take a look at how the sensing unit cable goes back on. This is threaded, and it threads into this little insert thing on the side of the sensing unit. I'm just going to grease it up a little bit. All right. Fits in, and then it screws into this insert. And now my fingers are all greasy. I'm going to grab a pair of pliers. The older sensing unit cables had an actual hex part right here that was in there, I believe, if I'm not badly mistaken, that you could hook a wrench onto and wrench it in there. There's not you don't have to have a lot of pressure on here. I'm not even really gripping it with the pliers that much at all. All I'm doing is getting it down here to where I can pull on this ball and get it to hook into the slot right there. There we go. It's in the slot. Now, there is a particular adjustment that we have to do with this, but we'll cover that once we start with the filming of the adjustments and stuff. But yeah, that's the sensing unit installed. We'll cover the actual adjustment of the sensing unit cable when we do the video on all the adjustments. So, thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day.